The PharMeDoc C-shaped pregnancy pillow is designed for all-over body comfort. Position your body inside of the pillow with your back aligned to the C-shaped curve. Bring the bottom of the pillow through your legs and place it between your knees. Our pillow is made with a high-quality polyfill that lets your body sink into comfort. Our design is made to fit every curve and provide support for your entire body. The outer cover is made of our softest knit jersey. Our curved design provides support for your hip, knees, neck, head, belly, and back. The PharMeDoc Pregnancy Pillow can also convert into a backrest, media nook, and footrest. The versatile pillow design can also be used for reading, breastfeeding, or watching TV. To wash your pillow, remove the jersey cover. The invisible zipper is located on the side of your pregnancy pillow. Please note that the inner white shell cannot be washed. The PharMeDoc travel bag makes mobility and storage convenient and easy. Simply open the case, place your pillow inside, and go. Wishing you a happy, comfortable sleep from our PharMeDoc family to yours.